Hi everyone, guys, what's up? Today, we are here in Greenwood Lake, New York, upstate New York. It's nice to be renting in this, in this house. You see this house here? We'll be staying here for 3 days and 3 nights. So it's nice to be here with my family, my grandkids, my daughter, and my wife. And right now we are here grilling this because we have our meat here to be cooked tonight. And this is a house where we feel at home. Only this American style, this American dream of having this house here. I will see you tomorrow, the inside of this house. But right now, we focus on the grilling of meat. You see that? And as you can see here, outside of this grilling area is the swimming pool at the back of this house here. You see the swimming pool here? This is a swimming pool somewhere here in upstate New York, or any part here of the USA where it's surrounded by trees, something like that. So this is a remote place, guys, somewhere in the mountainous area. We're past the Bear Mountain in New Jersey. So this is the boundary between New Jersey and New York. And some of the homes here, some of the homeowners have their own, have their own swimming pool for their own family. But this one here is for rent. This is for business. So you see that? It's cool, right? It's cool. It's cool. Okay.
No, you can touch it in your face.
So a lot of trees, right?
Put it back.
We are at the middle of the mountain. I mean, staying here is so cool.